Hello, miss?
What do you mean, miss?
Oh, so sorry. I have a cold. Anyway, I wish to make a complaint.
It's alright now, we're closing for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this ear pattern what I purchased from this very boutique not half an hour ago.
Ah yes, Norwegian bed. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. He's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
Nah, he's resting.
Look, mate, I know a dead parrot when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now.
Nah, he's resting. Remarkable bird, Norwegian red. Lovely plumage.
The plumage doesn't even enter the matter. He's stone dead.
Nah, he's resting.
Well, all right then. If he's resting, I'll wake him up. Polly Parrot! Wake, Polly Parrot! This is your 9 o'clock alarm call!
There, he moved.
No, he didn't. That was you in the cage.
I never.
Yes, you did.
I never did anything.
Polly Parrot! Wake, Polly! I've got a nice cuttlefish shell for you. Wake up! Now that's what I call a dead parrot.
Nah, he's stunned.
Stunned?
Yeah, you stunned him. Just as he was waking up. Norwegian red stun easily, Major.
Look, mate, I've definitely had enough of this now. That parrot is definitely deceased. And when I purchased it not half an hour ago, you assured me that his total lack of movement was due to a prolonged squawk.
Well, he's probably pining for the fields.
Pining for the fields? What kind of talk is that? Look, why did he roll flat on his back the moment I got him home?
Norwegian red prefers kipping on its back. Remarkable bird, innit, Squire? Lovely plumage.
Look, I took the liberty of examining the cage and found the only reason it had been standing in the perch was because it had been nailed there.
Well, of course I nailed it there. If I hadn't nailed it down, it would have nuzzled up to them bars, wrenched them apart with its beak, and vroom!
Vroom? That bird wouldn't go vroom if you had 6 million volts through it. It's demise.
Nah, he's pining.
He's not pining. He's passed on. He's dead, stone cold. He's ceased to be. He's gone to meet his maker. He's just dead. He's a stiff. He was nailed in the perch, and if you hadn't nailed him down, he would be pushing up the daisies by now. He is an ex-parrot!
Well, I'd better replace it then. Sorry, I've had a look round the back of the shop, and we're right out of parrots.
I see. I get the picture.
I got a slug.
Pray, does it talk?
Not really.
But it's